Today, I am giving you back your floors, closets, and counters because we're taking a simple and inexpensive three-tier cart and transforming it three different ways. I know you're overwhelmed, but we're going to head to the Dollar Tree and take care of that by making a simple gift wrap cart. Now, who wants these smudge bows? Instead, we're going to go ahead and get some long tinsel as well as the netting bows from the craft section. And yes, even some clip-on hair bows that can be reused over and over again. Who wants holiday wrapping paper that just takes up storage space once the holiday is over? Instead, we'll head back to the party section where I found some white wrapping paper, some plaid wrapping paper, and yes, even some green and white polka dotted paper. This budget Dollar Tree hack is going to be great for those of you who need storage solutions. I'm using this plastic cart from Walmart. It's a three-tier wheeled cart for less than $20. So in my mind, that's a great bargain. I found it simple to put together and very sturdy for the price. My one complaint is that the wheels don't stay on, so I did reinforce those with some glue. You really don't need to keep buying expensive organizing systems. We're going to trick this cart out three different ways. First, we're going to make an organized wrapping station. I'm picking up some of the tools from Dollar Tree that you can almost always find in every Dollar Tree. And we're going to start with a holder for those rolls of wrapping paper. We'll add a 3-section lucite piece to the bottom of the cart, as well as a hanger with hooks to the top. This way, we can not only hang those rolls of paper, but we can hang extra bags as well. This wire plate divider is the perfect separation for all your tissue paper, as well as smaller bags and boxes. I love to wrap my gifts while I'm watching something on my phone or on the TV. So here's an idea for a nice little shelf to set your remote control or your phone. Dollar Tree sells double-sided very strong adhesive called space tape, and that's what I'm using to connect these things to the cart. The top of the cart will hold all those things that we end up searching for all over the house, things like tape, scissors, bows, and little tags. Whether you have some holiday wrapping in store or you just like this kind of a wrapping station to keep all your things neat and tidy, here's our first idea for using this wheeled three-tier cart. For me, the best thing about this kind of a system is that it gives me my floors and my table spaces back, because I need those in my small space, and maybe you do too. And honestly, being able to wheel this cart wherever I need it, whether it's by the couch or the table, makes it a lot more fun to wrap presents. For me, it's easy to get tied up in that way of thinking that I need a bigger house, I don't have enough space, when in reality, sometimes the answer is to simplify our processes and make them work in the space that we have. Let's talk about guests in a small space. It can be really difficult to host when you don't have a lot of extra room or when you've downsized. So I wanted to show you this Ottoman I found that folds out into a wonderful twin size mattress. You can use this as an Ottoman whenever you don't have guests, but when you do have guests, it makes a really comfortable place to sleep and even sit and read a book. That head does pop up. So we're going to create a bedside table from this 3-tier wheel cart that is going to be a wonderful little spot for our guests. I'm filling this with all the things I can think of that a guest might love, but the most important to me is having a portable light. So this is one that I found at the Dollar Tree. It has a hook on it and it's battery operated. This makes a perfect reading light for them while they're sitting in bed, but it can also be great for them to find their way to the bathroom without flipping on the overhead light. Of course, we're going to add an assortment of treats as well as drinks, and I always love to add an extra light blanket. The bottom of the cart will hold some extra fresh and clean towels. Who would not love this little guest cart as a bedside table? I've also used this 3-tier cart idea as an extra coffee or hot cocoa station this time of year. If you prefer a sturdier cart, let me show you this next idea. I picked up a hanging shoe organizer from the Dollar Tree, as well as the command strip dupes. We'll start by cutting off the bottom row of the shoe organizer and attaching it to the narrow end of the cart with those Velcro strips. To make it really sturdy, I glue gunned those Velcro strips to the shoe organizer and that way they're going to hold really tight to that fabric. I placed 3 of these strips at the top of the shoe organizer and 2 at the bottom. So as I wheel that cart, the shoe organizer is going to stay put. If you're new to Skip to My Life, a big welcome. I'm Shannon, a small space organizing expert, and I am here to teach you how to live an upscale lifestyle on a downsized budget. I bought this cart at Michael's Craft Store, and I'll leave a link to that below, but you could really use any rolling cart and just alter these ideas to fit the one that you have. To clearly label each of those shoe holder pockets, I'm using these round wooden pieces from Walmart craft section. I spray painted those white, and now I'm labeling them. Next, I'm going to glue gun each of these onto the pockets in that shoe holder, and I'll have extra space to store so many things for my laundry organization and cleaning supplies. I picked up one of these Broom wall organizers at the Dollar Tree and scored it. Now, hopefully you can see those lines, and then it just snaps apart once you've scored it with a straight edge. The adhesive backing that's already in place is nice and strong, so I didn't need to reinforce it. I'm placing 1 broom holder on each side of the narrow end of the cart, and the hook goes in the middle. Did you know that that little hook swivels up and down? I didn't until I started playing around with this. So that feature is going to help us store a dustpan and clip it in place without any fear that it's going to fall off when we spin the cart around. There's much more to come, but don't forget to comment below and let me know which one of these little hacks is your favorite. If you're downsizing your home, moving, or just trying to make the most of your space, you've come to the right place. I would love to have you subscribe to Skip to My Life. Small space laundry organization and cleaning supplies seem to overlap so much that this little cart is going to save you time, money, and space. Don't forget to add one of these magnet-backed tins from the Dollar Tree for loose change in pockets and any other little things you might find. It's time to put this whole system together in our cart. I'm using a handled basket from the Dollar Tree on the top tier of that cart to hold some of these Dollar Tree organizing favorites. If you want to make a system really similar to the one I have put together that uses every square inch of space on this cart, you can replicate it by buying this Michael's cart that I will have linked below. The second tier of this cart will hold the clean and dirty rag compartments, and these are a tight squeeze, but they fit perfectly on this particular cart and they will not be rolling around. I'll use the remaining space for some of my cleaning favorites, especially those from Dollar Tree. Here's the big reveal of my new laundry organizing and cleaning cart in action. This is going to make cleaning our small space so much easier. There were a lot of trade-offs for us when we moved from a larger home to a much smaller one. But one of the things that I love is that it is so much quicker and easier to keep clean. If you love videos like this one, you're going to want to watch this one next. If you loved this video and got a good idea, don't forget to let me know by clicking that thumbs up button, and also subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of the great ideas coming up. And no matter what happens today, my friend, please don't forget, today is not the end of your story, so do not give up.